So for this video, it's going to be a review of cases, particularly the absolutive case. And for this absolutive case, I just want to, there's no Cebuano in here. It's just going to be a complete review again, because I probably won't be talking about cases after this anymore. So the first case we're going to talk about for a review is the absolutive case, and what is it? So this first half of the video is going to talk about what is this absolutive case. Well, in conversation, we have our main focus of a conversation, right? The main topic that's being talked about for discussion. That's the focus. And we talk about what's being talked about. So, whatever idea it is that whoever's talking about something, that's going to be the main focus, right? And they have pretty much a main idea within that, within the quality or in the whatever they were talking about there's going to be some sort of main idea, main focal idea. That's what's the absolutive case is. It's going to be highlighting that main important topic. Okay, so in other words, it's the focus of the sentence here in asterisk that I wrote, right? It's the focus of the sentence, and it highlights the important information, right? So whatever we can be talking about, it's going to be highlighted as important. But how do we know? Okay, so how do we know that it's going to be of importance? Or, well, we mark it, right? In this situation, we mark it using the ang family of markers, right? So marked words via the ang family of markers. And do we know what the ang family markers are? Yeah, because it's the ang, si, your absolutive case pronouns, the absolutive case demonstrative pronouns. Those are what is marked, or what's being marked, and what we know. And then also, the last thing is that the verb conjugations are in the actor focus. And why do we care about verb conjugations? Well, in the actor focus, well, because they involve the absolutive case pronouns and demonstrative pronouns. So if you're not sure what the absolutive case demonstrative pronouns and regular pronouns are, you can take a look at the verb conjugation, and the verb conjugation will tell you. Why? Because the verb conjugation has something to do with it's involving direct action with the absolutive case marker, right? So that's pretty much what this really quick video is over. It's just the review of the using the absolutive case pronoun, or not pronoun, but the absolutive case in general. What's the absolutive case, and obviously like how we express this absolutive case idea via the focus, right? The other videos are just going to be review of the other two cases as well, but this one talks about the absolutive case itself.